Today we're going to make some trapping stakes. I do a lot of land trapping. I use a 20-inch long, half-inch rebar stake on a double stake swivel for most of my coyote sets. The reason I use washers instead of a nut on top, a lot of guys like to weld a nut on top, but I like to weld a washer on top. One thing is because it just lays a lot flatter. If you're gonna anchor underneath your trap in the bed, they lay a lot flatter than as opposed to a nut on top, which is sticking up a lot. You know, it's just easier to bed your trap under with a washer. Might be easier to get these out when the ground's frozen, but I'd rather have the washer laying flat like that underneath. Alright, the washers I'm using are 1/8 inch thick by 1 3/8 inches. Now these are galvanized, double hot dip galvanized washers. So before I weld these on, I want to get that coating of galvanize off, because you don't want to be breathing that when you're welding. When I put the washers on, I like to give them about a good 1/4 inch clearance around the top there, because after beating on them for a while, they're going to mush down like that there. You ain't beating on the washer and the weld that way, you're beating on the rebar. This is what we're looking for when we're done. Nice solid weld. If you look up there, it's got a hump in it. So you're beating on the rebar itself and not the washer when you're hammering it. I use earth anchors also, you know, wolf fangs, fox hollow, super stakes. But just rebar, it's very mobile. You know, it's quick and easy to put in and take out. I use the earth anchors where I trap in the same spot year after year, and I know I'm going to catch critters at that particular spot. I leave them right in the ground. But for mobility, stakes is the way to go for me. And there's our finished product. You know, I like making stuff for use on the line instead of buying it. It's fun welding. Give it a try.